Ormeau and Surrounds. I'm Sue Ward from the Sue Ward team at LJ Hooker in Ormeau, and today I'm here with Deslie Taylor from Mortgage Choice in Ormeau.
Hey.
Now we're going to be speaking with Deslie a fair bit this year regarding finance, of course, the do's and don'ts, common misconceptions, and she's going to be giving us a few tips on how to navigate that finance nightmare. So Deslie, can you tell us a little bit about your business and what you do here?
Great. Okay. So now we've been here for, I've been in Ormeau with my Mortgage Choice franchise for the last 10 years. Been actually in this shop front in the Norfolk Village Shopping Centre now for coming on to 4 years. So basically what we do here is help you choose and look for the best finance option to suit you. So we work with over 28 lenders, and at the end of the day it's just about making sure that you are able to get into the right loan to suit your right financial needs, your right financial position, and make sure it's going to be right now and into the future. So so we're just here to help people choose their lending options.
I know that Deslie has, is very well regarded within the area, which is obviously why we're sitting and having this conversation. Now, 2 weeks ago actually, now the Reserve Bank met and decided to keep interest rates on hold. What are your thoughts on that?
So the Reserve Bank meet the first Tuesday of every month. Okay, so just so you're aware, they're constantly meeting without us even knowing that they're meeting. The only month in the year that they don't meet is January.
Okay.
However, every other month, the first Tuesday, they do meet. Okay. So that being said, the way I see it, if we don't know that they're meeting, if we don't hear anything, you don't hear any news in the media that it's all happening, chances are the rates are pretty much going to stay the same.
Okay.
It's when we're hearing things leading up to the last week of the month or the last week of the month preceding the meeting, we're hearing all of this kerfuffle, normally things will move. So the media tend to give us an indication as to what's going to happen before it actually does happen.
Okay.
You hear a lot of misconception in the media in regards to where the rates are. Now, personally, I always look at the 5-year fixed rate. I look at the projected forecasted rate at the moment, and you're looking at sort of the low fours for the 5-year fixed rate currently with most lenders. So if the banks are forecasting and locking you into a 5-year fixed rate in the low fours, that's telling me personally that maybe not much is going to happen. Okay. So, but that being said, it's always important to make sure you're doing what's right for you. So that's when we sit down and look at the fact that, do we want the security of a fixed rate regardless of what's happening out there? Do we want a variable rate for some more flexibility? So it's really a case by case, and it's all up to your personal situation. But always look at your 5-year projected fixed rates, and that'll give you an indication as to where things are tracking. And at the moment, we think they're sort of staying still.
Awesome, well that's great news. Now that sort of leads me into my next question with you, and that is next time we speak, I want to have a chat with you regarding pre-approvals. So that's something that I come across a lot in my job. I see buyers that come to want to purchase a home and they haven't had a pre-approval. So I think that's a really good place for you and I to start next time around.
Excellent.
Awesome. Well, it was lovely speaking with you today, Deslie.
Thank you.
And we will see you next time.
Thank you. See you guys.